Welcome on board. The University of Nairobi is counting huge losses after a fire engulfed Taifa Hall on Wednesday night, causing extensive damage to the building. The fire reportedly began in the kitchen of a restaurant within the structure before spreading to other sections, including part of the administration offices housed in the wing. Central OCPD Stephen Okal confirmed the blaze was initially contained past midnight but reignited at dawn.
The fire was intense and consumed the two structures, that is the senior common room and the Chancellor's parlour. That place houses two restaurants and they have kitchen which normally would have basically cooking facilities, and cooking is normally done by fire, so we cannot speculate, but the presence of the two kitchens could have also, of course, contributed. But there are government agencies that do that. We have informed them, and once they come, they will commence and will be able basically to assess the damage. Of course, there is structural damage. It was aggravated by the carpets, on the floor, and then of course the ceiling. All of those are wooden structures which basically were consumed by the fire and basically could have contributed to the acceleration.
Now, Bunge la Mwananchi has called for the resignation of Public Service Cabinet Secretary Justin Muturi, accusing him of undermining the National Intelligence Service. The lobby